In addition to your overall goal of improving your reading skills, you can work towards smaller, tangible rewards. Keep track of your successes visually with badges, and earn coins to spend on games and passages. You can access the Badges screen in two ways. You can either click on the Badges link from the main menu, or click on the circular Badges icon on the right side of the navigation bar. At the top of the Badges screen is a tracker that displays the total number of badges you have earned. Below the tracker is a list of the badge categories. You can earn badges for reading library passages, completing lessons, viewing pronunciation videos, and so much more. There are even badges for earning badges. Click on a category name to display all the badges in the category along with a short description that explains how each badge is earned. When you complete the action, you unlock the full-color version of that badge. How many can you unlock? Also in the navigation bar is a coins tracker. You can earn coins in many different ways, such as completing lessons and library quizzes. The better your score, the more coins you earn. You can use your coins to unlock special, highly interesting passages in the library or gain playtime in the games area, which you can access by clicking on the games link from the main menu. Let's see how many badges and coins you can earn.